Good morning, hello, hello, hello. How is everyone on this Sunday morning? It is beautiful out, and do not panic, I am not spending the day in the office. I will be going out and enjoying the sunshine. So for anybody who doesn't know, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my daughter Sapphire. Now, I got delivered my Scentsy Club last week and I haven't had a chance to open it. So I thought, you know what? We will hop on and open it together and have a look and see what I've got. I should be rather careful with my scissors, shouldn't I? So let's see. I might have to stand up to open it. Let's see what I've got in the box. So as I say, this came last week. Now I've actually got two Scentsy Clubs. I'm going to explain all about Scentsy Clubs while we're chatting through what I get. Oh, I might not have. Let's try that again with the scissors. That's what happens when you go live and haven't opened it in advance. There we go. Can I open it this time? I think I can. There we go. There we go. We've done it. So Scentsy Club is basically a subscription service. So you can literally go onto the Scentsy, go onto our Scentsy website and get your own club. That tells me what I've got. And you can order it. You can set your own way of having it. You can have it every month. You can have it every other month. You can have it quarterly if that suits you better. Oh my goodness, there's another box. I'm going to need the scissors again. Hang on, let's tip this box out. That's quite funny. I should have been ready for that. I know enough about Scentsy packaging to know there'd be another box, if I can even get it out. Oh my goodness, there we go. Right, we need the scissors again. Okay, so yes, you can set it to have it any way you like. Now, it's all consumable products. So it's not wax, it's not the, it is wax. That's exactly what it is. It's not warmers and buddies and things like that, but it's the consumable parts. So it's wax bars. I've got a book underneath my box, so it makes it a bit wibbly wobbly. Wax bars, you can get scent circles, you can get your laundry products, anything like that can go on Scentsy Club, okay? So any of the consumables, cleaning products, body products, car products, anything like that. So the pods, scent packs, things like that, you can have delivered on a regular basis. And what happens is you can literally just have, now what's amazing, let me tell you this bit before I go into my box. So what is really awesome and what I use it for is the Scentsy perk of always get my bar. Okay, so if you've got a favourite bar and if it possibly might get discontinued, you can add that bar to Scentsy Club and you will get it forever. They will continue to make it even if it is just for you. Okay, so that I always think is absolutely flipping amazing. So particularly when we have things like limited time offers, things like that, if there's a bar you absolutely love, then it's worth having Scentsy Club and popping it onto your club so you get it forever more. Okay, so let me have a little look at what I've got in my Scentsy Club this time. Let's look. Lots of bars. Oh, they're all going to oh, hang on, there we go, let's do it there. Lots of bars about to cascade out. So once you spend £36, you get 10% off. So that's a nice little extra perk. And if you go over, so if you go over £73, you get a half price item as well. So that's amazing. Okay, so I've got maple vanilla glaze. So this was part of our Christmas collection. Absolutely flipping gorgeous. Fell in love with this. Had to put it on my Scentsy Club. We've got now, this came out, this was one of our first ever collections, was Aladdin. It came out soon after we joined. I absolutely fell in love with this fragrance and added it to Scentsy Club. So Prince Ali, so let's sniff it together. Oh my goodness, because I absolutely adore this one. Okay, it's so good. So good. So you've got lemon in there. There is some musk, so it's quite a deep fragrance, but it is also citrusy. I think there's a bit of sandalwood in there as well, so it's got that woodiness. Slightly masculine. Now, I'm not overly keen on masculine fragrances, but this one absolutely does it for me. gorgeous. So this is where the Always Get My Bar is absolutely invaluable to me, because I love this so much and I warm this on a regular basis. So I'm so happy I can get it on Club. Okay, so that's Aladdin, Prince Ali. Then we have, oh, lemon meringue pie. If any of you follow me on TikTok, I have got a TikTok. If any of you follow me on TikTok, I actually did a TikTok all about this fragrance. I think it was yesterday actually, talking about how fragrance and memories go together so well. You can smell a certain fragrance and it immediately transports you somewhere. So lemon meringue pie, I absolutely love, because this transports me. As soon as I smell it, I am in my mum's kitchen cooking with her as she makes lemon meringue pie. It just smells exactly like it. It is such a good fragrance. So again, this was available a few years ago now. And again, this went straight on my Scentsy Club, because there was no way I wasn't having this in my life. I warm this again regularly, particularly in the kitchen. I like this one in the kitchen. Aladdin gets warmed in the hallway, and this one gets warmed in the kitchen. Funny, I've got different areas for different fragrances, but I absolutely love lemon meringue pie. Amazing. And it smells just as it sounds. Okay, so that's on my Club. Then we have another lemon meringue pie, because I like it that much. Whoops, she says, dropping everything. Then we have Rocking Ruby Raz. This was an Easter fragrance. So this came out a few years ago. This is very raspberry, so a really fruity one there. Let me move this if I can. What I should have done was cleared a space on my desk, and I didn't. I just jumped straight in. Caramel buttercream. Now, the Scentspirations collection started just before Christmas last year, and it was all based around vanilla bean buttercream. And this is caramel buttercream. And again, this smells just as it sounds. So it's got that lovely creamy buttercream, but with that hint of caramel. Absolutely gorgeous. My Only Sunshine. This, I think, was quite underrated. So I fell in love with this. And this is one that I love in the office. I just want to sing, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Now, this, you're going to be surprised at, because it's got that sandalwood in it again. So it's got a little bit of that masculinity. Let's just stick my nose in it, because it is so beautiful. So beautiful. And it, I don't know what it is and why I love it in the office, but it just makes me so happy. And it is one that I just love being in the office. And a reason that you'll be surprised is, a lot of you know that I'm not particularly keen on more floral fragrances, but this has got jasmine in as well. So there you go. Absolutely gorgeous. But there's that vanilla base, which is probably why I love it over everything else. But that is My Only Sunshine. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm running out of space. Okay, Gimme Candy. That's another one from our bakery fragrances. And this actually was a scent of the month. I think again, it was when it was Halloween, so October time. That's when that was. Gimme Candy. Fitted in with all the Halloween celebrations. Monsters Inc. So again, this is another licensed one. Absolutely beautiful. This is quite fruity. I think this has got like an orangey fragrance to it. I think it's got like, yeah, I'm sure it's got a bit of orangey. Let's have a smell. It's definitely fruity. I think there's pineapple in there as well. Yeah, lovely. Really fruity. Oranges, pineapples, things like that. Beautiful. Grapefruit orange. This came back. This was part of our Bring Back My Bar collection last year. Or was it the beginning of this year? No, I think it was last year. Can't remember. But this is a beautiful, really bright, zingy grapefruit and orange. There's quite a few bars in here. Maraschino sugar cookie. I love this, and I had this as a brick. I've nearly used all the brick up, so I'm very, very happy to get a bar of it. Again, this is exactly, smells exactly as it sounds. So you've got that cherries, cookie flavour. Absolutely beautiful. What else have we got? Tangerine fizzy. And I love how some fragrances smell fizzy, and that one really does. Salted caramel toffee. That's quite similar to the caramel buttercream. So you've got really lovely sweet saltiness. And actually, funnily enough, I mix this one with vanilla bean buttercream. And often Hugging a Mug as well, because that's one of my favourites. So there we've got that. Jumping Jelly Bean. This one was a real favourite with Friends with Dogs, because it is really quite a strong fragrance. It's fruity, so there's apples and pears in this one. Really strong and fruity. Yum. What else have we got? Lavapalooza. This was another one I fell in love right when we first started our Scentsy journey. So within the first year that we had this, I absolutely loved it. And this again has got a bit of sandalwood in, but it's also got lovely berry fragrances. So it's quite a fruity one. Beautiful. This one I like in the front room. And actually, I often pop this one in the conservatory. So again, like I say, there's different areas where certain fragrances I find work absolutely perfectly. And toasted marshmallow. That one's a gorgeous one as well. Now, so as I said earlier, once you get over £73, you can have a half price item. Now, on one of my other clubs, because I've got two, on my other club, I have got washer whiffs as my half price item. I used to have the whiff box as my half price item, and the only reason I've changed that is I like to buy the whiff box on the first of the month because I just like to get it as quick as I possibly can. So what I do get is a flower. I love our flowers. Again, these are consumables, so you can order these regularly on club. They work perfectly on club because they last, well, Scentsy say they last about 6 weeks. I know I often have mine going for sometimes up to 3 months. So you could literally put one of these on a bi-monthly club and always have a fragrance flower ready for you. So I love our fragrance flowers. And this one is sea salt and avocado, if I remember rightly. Yes, it is. So that is my half price. So you can see how flipping amazing it is to have Scentsy Club. As I say, you've got the always get my bar. You can set a schedule. You get discounts over £36. You get half prices over £73. And one of the other lovely things with Scentsy Club is you get points. So every time you spend £1, you get a point. And that point you can then use either against club. So you can use it to set against your club payment, or you can use it to buy things directly off our website. So you can use it in different ways. And if you refer somebody for Scentsy Club, if you send them a link on your Scentsy Club, you have a way of sending a referral. So if you send somebody a link and say, you need to be part of this, you need to be getting your Scentsy regularly, for everybody you refer, you will get 2 points per pound that they spend. So come on, get referring people as well. But if you haven't got club and want to know more, pop me a little message. I can tell you even more about it. I love it. It's a way of getting my favourites regularly. I never run out. I know they're coming. And because some of them are no longer available, I can still get the ones I love. So there we go. Nice to chat. I'm going to go and enjoy the sunshine. So have a lovely, lovely Sunday. Take care. Remember, like this video. If you're on YouTube, pop me a subscribe and like it. Or tell me which is your favourite bar, because I love to know. All right. Mwah. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.